Hi and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Today I bring you, I've had some requests to show how I make my cotton candies on my projects. So first off, I made these cards a long time ago, and this is how I was making the cotton candies back then. I'll just take it out of the package here to show you, so that hopefully there isn't a glare. So this is a card that I made, a cotton candy card, and it's blank inside, and then it's got the cotton candy here. Oh, hopefully you saw that. So this, what this is here, is a long time ago I picked up a big pile from the Value Village. I got this great big pile of fluff or I don't know, the stuff that you would use to fill a pillow, I guess, or something like that. And I would just cut it out to look like cotton candy. And then I would color it in with a marker. So that's how one way I used to do it. And then the way that you've seen me do it on these, on my last DIY with these from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to do one with you. I was just waiting for this to dry. I think it is. So we're going to start on that, and I got these. These are just cotton balls from the Dollar Tree, and I just take two. That's three. I just take two, and I kind of just, you know, fluff them out a little bit. This is, like I said, this is just the way I've been doing it lately. And then I'm going to put some, I got some paint here, some acrylic paint from the dollar store, either Dollar Tree or Dollarama, and just put some on there, like so. Sorry if I can get it in frame so you guys can see it. So I'm just going to take, say, some of the blue here and just paint on the front of here, like so. I don't tend to do the back because it's going to be glued down, as you'll see when I show you. So I try to do the sides though. Alright, so I'm just going to let that dry. And now I'm going to do the pink one. I'll just get some on my brush, and I just do this. It's that easy. At least that's the way I'm doing it now anyways. So there you go. Hopefully you can see. Just leave these to dry here for a few minutes, and as they dry, I just take some white cardstock. And I've already made some up for the little like cones or whatever. See if I can, like that, and then I just use a red pen to make the lines, and you can make them better if you'd like. I just kind of free-handed, so that's why some are straight and some are not, but you could use a ruler. But if you want, you could also, these are just going to be flat, right? You could take the cardstock and just like roll it into a cone if you wanted to do it that way. There's so many different ways. And then there's also like, I don't know if you remember, like on Halloween time, you can get the spider web stuff, and you can do your cotton candies with this stuff. And then use like pink eyeshadow and blot it on, or blue eyeshadow to get blue, whatever colors. Like a few years back, I did, I sent out cotton candy cards, but I did like like I did green and red cotton candy. So you could go, like for Halloween, you could do black and orange. It's endless. So, and it's really easy. So once these are dry, I will come back and I'll just finish putting them on here to show you. Alright, so we're back, and I'm going to, they're still a little bit wet, but I'm going to now glue. I'm just going to use some of this white glue, and I'm just going to glue these on. I just put a thin line of glue, hopefully you're seeing that, not too much, just so it sticks. Let's put it down. Get the glue off my hands. And I'll do the same for this one. That way. Hopefully you're seeing this. Okay, and then I play around with these things to see what work, like how I want to put them on. Well, that works. And then just put some glue on it. So, and there you have it. So then you just let it, oops. So there you have it, my darlings. I hope that helps you out. That's how I make my my different cotton candies. There's some different ideas and different materials to use. And we put the cotton candies on the stocking here. I do have a DIY video if you wanted to see how it was fully done, but we basically did it over again. So I hope that helps you, and remember, believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Have a cotton candy, sweet kind of day. Thank you for all your love and support, and toodaloo, toodles, toodaloo.